In this short tutorial, I will show how to buy shares of Weis Markets Inc., a regional grocery retailer in the United States listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WMK. This is an educational guide only and not financial advice. Investing carries risks and you should do your own research. To buy WMK, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as the example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify the account, usually with an ID document, and then add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker WMK to find Weis Markets Inc. Confirm you select the NASDAQ-listed stock in the search results before opening the stock page. On the stock page, check the brief company profile and review the price chart to understand recent movement. Make sure the company name, NASDAQ listing, and WMK ticker match before proceeding. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be placed as a pending instruction, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, I left a link to eToro in the description.